Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here in another quick tutorial. Today I am going to be showing how to speed up your Firefox web browser to improve performance and rendering of web pages. So we are going to jump right into this. So the first thing we have to do is open up our Firefox browser. So then in the URL bar, type in about:config. You might get this alert here saying this might void your warranty. Just be careful and follow the exact steps in this video when proceeding. So click on I'll be careful, I promise. Now under the search, you have to type in pipelining. So Pipelining. You have several preference names showing up here, all of which contain the name pipelining. What you want to do is, under the first name here, network.http.pipelining, go underneath the value column and double click on false to change the value to true. Do the same for the last two preference names here. So go underneath value, double click on false to change it to true. Double click on the last one and change it to true as well. And then underneath the middle one here, network.http.pipelining.maxRequest, change it to 8. So double click on 32. Type in the number 8, so replace the 32 with an 8. Click on OK. And then at this point you can close out of your browser and reopen it, and it should open up a lot quicker. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.